We're getting our house boarded up. Get ready for Hurricane Dorian. Is that how the name goes? Dorian? In I think 30 minutes or an hour, my sister and my son and I are gonna go stay at my granddad's place. It reached to a category 5 the last time I heard, and I don't like that. I honestly don't. I already let out some like tears earlier, well, a bunch of tears. So, oh, let me show you guys this. We got sandbags to put around the house because we have a lake or whatever was in the backyard that will rise and fill up our entire backyard. So we got some sandbags, and our front door also floods, so we're putting sandbags there too. I don't like this at all. Not at all. And we also got a generator, so if we lose power and the hurricane passes, we got the generator to charge all our items for us to use. So we made it to my granddad's place, and right now we're about to go to bed. I didn't film our drive here only because I forgot. So tomorrow I will try to film. So this is probably going to be like a 2-day vlog because I didn't vlog all that much today. So yeah. Are you tired? No, mommy's tired. So yeah, just watching a movie, going to bed. So good night. Hey guys, so it is the next morning, and we're all just hanging out, not much doing. We already went out to get a few things because there were a couple of things that I forgot at home, and that's toothbrush, razor, and deodorant. I got Jess's toothpaste and toothbrush, so now we have everything. Last night it took Jess a while to go to sleep. Right now he's playing with a pool table. Let me show you guys. Oh. Hey, Bubba.
Hi.
Be gentle.
Hey.
Be gentle, Justice, okay?
Okay. Oh.
What are you doing? Hey, move your arm. Move your arm. So the news showed, and I also got an alert on my phone that the hurricane went down to a category 4, so which means it's slowing down, and actually I'm really happy to hear that. Justice, what are you doing with your arm in a hole? So yeah, it also said that it probably be here at like Tuesday night to Wednesday morning. Once it gets here, I'll show you guys. I'll probably sit outside with my aunt. Hey, can you say hi, YouTube?
Hi,
YouTube.
YouTube.
You. Okay, he's not gonna say it.
Ow.
You okay? Good job. Careful, Justice, my camera. You need to be more careful, okay? Justice is outside with my granddaddy. Dorian's granddaddy. I am so tired. I want to go to sleep, but I can't. Justice is outside with my granddaddy. His granddaddy too. I really want to go to sleep. Sounds like they're coming inside, or I gotta go inside with them. Hey, Baba.
Hi.
In the dirt.
Playing in the dirt.
You had to get it in the dirt, yeah.
Justice.
I'm trying to tell him. And he washed his hands over here on the water on the table. You watch for a minute, I'm gonna fix that thing.
Yeah. Justice.
Hi.
You can't put dirt in your blocks. Mommy has to wash all those out. Mommy had to clean those. Why would you do that?
No, do that this.
It's a beautiful day outside now till tomorrow night, right? Because Hurricane Dorian will be right next to Florida, right?
Why?
Hey, stand up. Show everybody your shirt. No, your shirt. Turn. No.
What?
This shirt right here.
Where?
Jess's new pajama shirt.
Yeah, I get it.
Very, very big on him, but he'll grow into it. There's a birdie over there.
There's a big old blue jay out there.
Oh, there's two of them.
Look at that. Yeah, look at that. See there?
They're chasing each other. Justice is asleep, and I'm about to go to sleep myself. I'm watching Friends. I'm so tired. I also been editing my video, my vlog today. Not much was going on today. We just all hung out, sat around, and that's it. The hurricane's supposed to show up tomorrow night to Wednesday morning, and I'm probably going to be sitting outside with my aunt, just watching the wind blow. I'm not a big hurricane person, but the category went down to a 3, and I'm very happy about that. And it's not going to be all that much in Titusville, I'm guessing, because it's like further away from Florida. So I'm happy now. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now, and I guess I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. And all this vlogs, all my videos will probably be posted when I get back home. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.